Hello everyone, thank you for joining my channel. First I'm going to click on Microsoft Visual Studios. Next I'm going to click on create a new project. Next in the search bar we're going to type in Window Forms App. And for this project we're going to click on the VB Window Form App, which will be right here. This one right here. Next, for the project name, we are going to name this SplashScreen VB. After I have done that, I will go to location, click on the 3 button, place it where I want to save it at, which I save mine on my desktop. Then I will hit create. Next, I'm going to X out that sign because it'll distract me. So now I'm going to click on the form and I'm going to go to text and I'm going to name the form after me, which is @IdentifyHerSavvy. So next I go back to my properties, I go in the appearance and click on back color, the square, and I click on drop down, and I go to custom, and I click on the red box, which I changed my background to red. So next we're going to go to toolbox, and we're going to type in the word label. So I click and drag that. As you all can see, that's the font and all the other good stuff. So I click on that, I press Control C, Control V, and Control V again to make 3 of them. And I just spread it out how the way I want it. So for the first one, I'm going to change the font. And I change the font size to bold. And for the size, I'm going to change it to 25.8. But as you all can see, it gave me an error. So I decided to change it just to 25. And I just hit OK. And as you all can see, in a few seconds after I get done moving, it say 25.8. But for right now, I'm going to change the text, which I put down the drop tab, Control A, then backspace. Now type in the word hello, exclamation mark. As you all can see, that's what it looked like. And now I'm going to change label 2, which I'll change the font. And I'll change the font style to bold. And I'll change the size to 16. Next, I will clear out that. And I will type in, welcome to @IdentifyHerSavvy new info page. That's the result. As you all can see, that's the font size. And for this one, this is the font size as well. It's 25.2. I thought it was 25.8. So for label 3, I would change the font size, which I changed the font style to bold. And I changed the size to 25. And I hit OK. And I placed it way how I want it. So now we're going to go to text. And hit Control A and backspace. And we're going to put loading in 3 periods. As you all can see, that's what it's supposed to look like. So next we're going to go to toolbox and we're going to type in progress bar. I'm going to click on this and we're going to just drag it, and I'm going to fit it the way how I want it on the string. going to clear out the toolbox, and I'm going to click on the progress bar. And as you all can see, that's what it named, progress bar 1. So after I got done doing that, I will click back on my form, and I'll go back to the toolbox in the search bar, and we're going to type in the word timer. So I'm going to click and drag that on the program. And as you all can see, we're going to change the name to the timer. I'm going to change the name to timer_1. And hit enter. Hit Control S. Click on the form, then hit Control S. As you all can see, it's been saved. So next, I'm going to click on Project on the top of the screen. Then we're going to click on Add New Item. And next, we're going to click on Form, also known as Window Forms. And for the name, we're going to change that to New Info. Then click Add. After we had click Add, I'm going to click on the form, and I will scroll down and go to Text. And once I click on text, I'm going to remove the underscore. Then after I have done that, I will hit space and do hyphen and put @IdentifyHerSavvy. As you all can see, that's my name on my form. I hit Control S, which is save all. And I scroll down, and I will go to name. As you all can see, that's the name of the form. That'll be coded behind. Then I click on back color, and I'll do the same exact thing that I did for form 1, which is change to red. I need custom. And next, I'll go to toolbox, and I'll get a label. I drag one label right there on my form. So I'll go to font right here, and I will go to change the font style to bold. I go to size, I make that 16. Now hit OK. Then I go to text, and I clear that out. And I'll put all my official social media that I'm on, including my link tree. Now that I'm finished with that, another step that I forgot to do was make auto size for the label false, which you all can do that, but mine's on true. And the reason why I say make it false, because it can prevent you from not stretching out that form like I just did a few seconds ago. So it'll make it easy for you can mess with the label without messing up your work. So everything looks good so far. And also I did realize that I forgot to put my Twitter name on there, which my Twitter is the same exact name like my Twitch, at IdentifyHer. But so far, these are actually my official social media. I realized I made a little error inside my link tree, so as you all can see, that's how the URL is supposed to look like. You can see it on my Instagram, you can see it on my Twitch, my Twitter, my YouTube channel as well, if you click on the link in the About tab. So far I'm just checking over everything, make sure everything looks good. Now I'm going to click back on form 1. I'm going to double click on timer_1. So above all of that, I'm going to hit enter. And I'll go up top of number 1 line. So instead of using /, we're going to use apostrophe as the comment. So I would say apostrophe, programmer, colon, and I put my name as IdentifyHerSavvy. And next I'll do the same, hit apostrophe, then put date. Then I put today's date, well, the date I made this video, which is August 13th, 2022. And I hit apostrophe again, and I do the purpose. Like I always say in my other videos, when I write my purpose, do not copy me. My purpose in my own words. It's just like having an essay, you don't want nobody else to have it. But the purpose of this program will show the user how to program a SplashScreen using Visual Basic, known as VB. And not only that, you always see my new social media pages / URLs. Next, after I got done coming for that, I'll come in above timer_1. So I'll use apostrophe. Here, I will make it where the splash screen will load for the user. Then after that, I'll put another apostrophe and say, and it will connect them to my new page to show them my new official social media accounts. Now, and later on in the video, you might see me do some edits on the comments, but that's okay. But all that matters is that you all understand what I'm trying to say. Now we are going to click inside of timer_1 and we're going to type the word if, parentheses. We're going to put the parentheses after that. Then we're going to type in progress bar 1. Dot value equals progress bar 1 then we're going to type dot maximum parentheses. I'm gonna get that parentheses right there and put it back after maximum. Then after that, if I click on the side, it will prompt the word then, which is our syntax. Then you hit enter, it say and if. So if I take it off, it will give me a syntax error, as you all can see right there. So if I undo it, it will come back normal. As you all can see, it say no issue is found. So inside of that part, we are going to type the rest of the code. So I'm going to say timer_1 dot stop parentheses. Then after that, we're going to type the word me dot hide parentheses. Then after that, we're going to type the word new_info dot show parentheses. Then after that, we're going to type the word else. After that, we're going to make another apostrophe, which is for a comment, which this part will be responsible for the progress bar, so it can activate it, so it can load the new info page for the user. Then after that, we're going to type the word progress bar 1. Then we're going to type dot perform step. Just hit enter or tab. Then parentheses. And after that, I'm going to go back to my form 1 because I forgot to name my label for load. So I'm gonna go to the name part, which is name label 3, which I forgot to rename it when I was first building for you all. So I do apologize about that. So we're going to change the name to LBL_loading. Or you can change it to any name you want, but I changed mine to LBL_loading. Then hit enter. So I hit Control S or save all. So I go right back to the coding form. So right there, we're going to type in LBL_loading dot text equals progress bar 1 dot value. And we're going to type the and sign. Then after that, we're going to type a parentheses and do quotation inside the parentheses, and we're going to put the percent sign. So I'm going to clear all that up so you all can read the builder. And so you all can see it look better now. So I forgot one step as well on this form 1 too. I forgot to name my form name, which you see is form 1. So I'm going to change the name to SplashScreen, uppercase T, uppercase S, uppercase T, which I abbreviated for test. So I do Control S to save all. Then above that, I will type in apostrophe. Then I will do my comment, and this part will say this part will be responsible for the time of the program to load for the user. After I have got done commenting between all of that, I put the word timer _1 dot start parentheses. Then I will go and make some changes to my comment. Then I hit Control S. As you all can see, I don't have any issues. So when I started, it gave me this error. Only reason why it gave me this error because I had switched the name for my form 1. So I would change that part right there to SplashScreen TXT. As you all can see, I don't have any more errors. So I'm supposed to save it before I exit out. So as you all can see, that's what I got. So I just saved it right there. And I made sure I saved it again, save all. Then I look back at my code, make sure everything looks okay. Then I start it up. As you all can see, that's the load screen, and that was my new information. As you all can see, everything looks correct, and that's all. However, if you had made it to the end of this video, I would like to say thank you for your support. And also, if you all can do these few things for me, which is like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends. And also, if you want to know more information about this video, or what you had saw, or anything that had interested you all throughout this video, please feel free to check the description underneath this video. Also, if you all want to know more information about me, please feel free to go on my link tree, which you all can see it on the screen, or you can check out my about tab. Once again, I would like to say thank you all for your support. I have more content on the way, and have a nice day.